content now that now can be available through the Control4 environment. They have 30 unique different types of streaming content from audio and video automation. With that receiver, we can add on the ability to control lights, thermostats, shading, line control, door locks, all with that system. So that receiver becomes an automation. With that receiver, we can add on the ability to control lights, thermostats, shading, line control, door locks, all with that system. So that receiver becomes and it has our installation. We got a receiver, we've got our controller that you can see over the wall there. We've got a IP switch, and we've also got a Roku streaming device here, and we also have a router. We can also take some of the wiring away. So in this solution, we have 4 Ethernet cables, 2 HDMI cables, an IR control cable, and 1 RS-232 cable. And it's a great solution. It's a Control4 system. It's controlling the receiver, controlling other products within that home theater experience. But with this solution, having an integrated controller into the receiver, what it allows us to do is really simplify that. We can have a single connection between the router, network connection, to the receiver, and we're done. So if we can make those jobs more efficient, selling a universal style remote control today, this is your nirvana. This is the go-to piece. You should be selling this. I'll tell you why. It has some better sound quality to it. Also has more inputs into it as well that allow you to control. We'll talk to you a little bit about price. Selling. Comes with the 2800 receiver, an activation license for Control4 and our remote control our remote control. For our dealers in the United States, limited to 2 in this sale, goes through the 22nd of the month. Light commercial space, and we're going to define that a little bit. So we define that light commercial space as boardrooms, as restaurants and bars, as professional offices, doctors and dentists. For Clear One and with Tamberg, we really round out what we typically see in that boardroom boardroom solution. We have an access control agent. So if you're in a sports bar and you have a touch panel that's on the wall, you want to lock that out. You want Monday Night Football to stay Monday Night Football. We continue to pilot full of lots of enhancements, lots of features, lots of benefits. We've been focused this year on performance and to be able to show you. It's a driver editor. It's an easier way for dealers to modify or add drivers to the system. This protocol and build it into their product so that you get this kind of effect. We can show you that and demonstrate over here as well. If in that kitchen, you're going to see the new user interface. We've worked long and hard working with homeowners to understand how do they interact with our system. What's the best way for them to control lighting, and we've improved that today. We have our new interfaces that are on there. We also have a
to bring something new to the AV world. We know that customers are looking for, both companies are focused on coming up with the best possible customer experience. 2 great companies. I think it's one incredible vision.
For quite some time with some really strong integration drivers, basically no programming required to integrate Sony products with the Control4 automation. What does it bring to the table actually having a Control4 processor built into the AV receivers?
Well, I think it brings choice to consumers, and I think it brings choice of solutions that can be offered by the
And so, would it be safe to say that your dealers will value this approach as a way to get...
3 years, 90 million homes worldwide will integrate home automation. This is going to be a skyrocketing market. And we know that it's really happening. It's devices, switches, and devices like that, which means obviously lots of programming and lots of integration work. Pleasure to share with you introduction of the world's first receivers with full home automation built right in. This removes unnecessary boxes and cables. This is an amazing, amazing device. I saw someone out there put an entire software platform and integrate it right into the receiver, both of these models. And there's two levels. Well, first off, we have some very simple, easy to set up scenes that can be customized. And to set it up, there's a simple on-screen, easy setup segment of the market. We've incorporated the ability through a Control4 authorized integrator. You can upgrade these solutions to be a complete Control4 controller. UI that you add in, and also there's full AV control, security, energy management, all of the typical applications that you incorporate into a Control4 project can be added into here. In addition, all of the accessories can also be added in so that you have now a fully integrated Control4 controller right with our receivers. Actually, over 30 services built right in, both on audio and on video. So now there's one additional box that isn't necessary to be put into this solution. Then moving on, AV performance. These are ES receivers. And the 5800 has 130 watts across 9.2 channels of channel amps. And it uses a brand new 4th generation wideband amplifier panel to make these receivers support not only 4K upscaling, but even much more important and very unique is 4K pass-through. So they're not only designed for today's sources, but also as 4K sources become available in the future, these are ready to support them. It has 9 HDMI ins and 3 HDMI out. And the third HDMI out on both of these receivers can be used for that second zone. And again, 4K is passed all the way through, so that it's really ready to support it. They have high-speed switching and instant preview mode and out, and also has outstanding ES build quality. This includes framing beam chassis and a whole variety of other features. They join a broad range of ES receivers that we have. It starts at $699, but the 2800 and 5800 are a really amazing price point, which is at $999 and $2,099. So they're really designed to expand the market. Today, they're ready to order. And finally, we have a complete integrated marketing plan. So the point is has an input around these receivers. And we really are so excited, and Julie shared with you some of her insights of
electronics industries for about 30 years now, and it's not often that something exciting comes along in a collaboration like this. The best solution for both dealers and for your customers. You can't have one without the other, and it's clear that we have to do a great job for you. It's clear. Selling audio and video quality. Can deliver, and something that your competitors can't. And for me, that's what spells opportunity. It's ease of use, it's less clutter, and as Alan Waldorf said, it's really a great value for your customers. So what is the opportunity? Where does the opportunity? And most everybody in this room is selling remote control solutions. Of course, most everybody in this room, and certainly all of the Control4 dealers out there, thank you very much, are selling whole home automation, the top of the circle here. Both of those spells opportunity. So how big is that opportunity? Well, the research shows that over 90% of our dealers are carrying, we know that's true, and we know it's a big market. The research also shows that for every home automation project that's being done by our dealers, there's over 6 universal remote control projects. Well, we're doing this to upgrade them up to a whole home automation solution from the same box. It's pretty exciting, and we're really excited to be collaborating with Sony to deliver it. It gives you an opportunity to broaden your market, sell a better solution, to really delight your customers, and perhaps most important, to create a stickier customer. So once you've got automation inside from basic to a high-end home automation system, the integration certainly is clear to most of you in this room. Neil covered the benefits of the Sony receivers between the outstanding AV quality, the 4-scale upscaling and pass-through. The digital media solutions are exceptional, and the opportunity for integration for a full home automation system. Step up that exceptional content using that familiar and exciting Control4 GUI that everybody knows and loves with the Control4 solution makes the experience for the consumer simple and easy to use. As a basic home theater package, we start with the D8 Unlock, the ability to do an entire whole home system. On the step-up product, with the 5800 along with an activation license, the Control4 remote control SR250, and a device license to use with an iPad or an Android device at $27.99 MSRP is equal. In a nutshell, it's an exciting product. It's a big opportunity for you. It's a big collaboration and a big combination, a powerful combination of brands. It's an opportunity to develop new markets. It's an opportunity to take hundreds of thousands of customers who only thought they wanted a basic remote control solution and upgrade them to a whole home automation solution that will delight and amaze them and their friends and give you new knowledge. Create those upsell opportunities, find more customers, and really differentiate yourselves. You dealers who are selling these solutions are really going to have something that your competitors don't have. That's one of the reasons I know you come to Cedia, is find the new product, find what's hot, find the next opportunity. We think this is a great big opportunity. Fall, make sure you save space in the rack for these products, which by the way, will start shipping at the end of activation, going to the high-end home.